In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an image from Google into Stitch Fix. Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an image from Google into Stitch Era. First, you just open Google Chrome and search whatever you want. For today, I'm going to use Patrick Star as my model. So you just go to Images, and for the embroidery machine, you don't really use a background, so you go to Color and Transparent. This is going to help you save time, as most transparents, as you're going to see in a moment, are all going to be PNG. So now you go to size, larger than, and at least have 2 MP because we want a high resolution. So this is the image we are going to use today. Save as image, and this is why I told you to make a folder for it. That way we're not looking around for it. We're going to save it in the PNG folder. So we're just going to name it. It's going to name it Patrick Star. And save. Now we can finally open Stitch Era. So this software isn't the most consistent software, but if you see the tweaks and see shortcuts, it's going to be easy to use. So now we're just going to open a new blank design document, and this is home. So you're going to go to the embroidery tab. This is usually the tab you're going to stay on. Use the embroidery or view, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to home again, and you go to catalogs. Usually in Adobe programs you would use open, but for here we're going to use catalogs. So you go to catalogs and you go to folders and you find where your design is, or your image. And this is why also the folder is very useful, because it's already there and all my designs are now going to be in this folder. So you just drag it onto here. And now, as you could see, it's outlined. So let's say you didn't outline it at first. You just click on it and it outlines it. So here it's artwork, 2 new tabs show up, image and layout. You go to layout, and this is where you resize. It's very important you resize now. So as you could see, there's a little white box that says size, width, and height, and you could see the new size from there or up here in the tab. So you have to resize now, because later on it's going to be way harder. So remember to resize in the beginning. So I'm going to leave it at this height, and the second step would be color reduce. So it's going to load, and you're going to see that I have a brownish, almost black outline. So it doesn't matter, we'll fix it in a bit. So you just count how many colors there is in the image, and I know there's around 8 colors. And as you could see, there's not a lot of difference, which is what we wanted. And here are all the colors the program has used. Let's say you don't have a color, just add the amount of color in total. Choosing the colors again, we could choose it later on. So just return, and for now this is it. Just these 2 very important steps you should do. Remember, click on it, resize, and color reduction for now. And in the next video I'll show you how to actually do the stitching and how to tell the machine what color sequence you want.